Catriona, you are the epitome of digital and disruption because you've been at it for 20 years, haven't you?
Indeed.
Breaking barriers. I guess then digital was hardly registering.
So I started my career in 1995. I left university with a degree in human-computer interaction. And that basically means that I was well versed in the design of systems, software things, and indeed the internet for use by humans. Digital in those days, in the 1990s, was very much around technology. It was all centered on technology. Then in the kind of early 2000s, it started to creep into kind of marketing. And that's when it became really exciting for me. Lots more females entered the market. When you're designing, as I do, you're designing for 50% male, 50% female. So why wouldn't we have lots of female designers? The fact that women can bring so much of that emotional intelligence to bear and really make products that probably were great to start with, even better now. We also are incredibly intuitive and we create things with our children in mind.
And what about in terms of leadership? Is digital the only enabler, or is it the biggest enabler of women reaching greater gender parity at the very top of business?
What digital has done is it's actually helped at the root. It's helped in education. Now previously, girls in primary school wouldn't have access to information about engineering, they wouldn't have access to information about technology. They certainly wouldn't have necessarily found out for themselves. Digital has been an enabler of all of that, opening up at school. A lot of new innovations are being founded by women. In fact, 49% of new innovations in the US are led by women teams. So I think that's incredibly important.
Where is it going to go next?
So for the last 6 months, I've been involved with the creation of new currency projects. And I think the next 20 years out, we'll see digital currencies, platforms becoming popular. And I think that's going to be incredibly disruptive
For the banking industry.
For the banking industry, but also for consumers.